Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to PhantomBuster for automating LinkedIn prospecting ethically. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the PhantomBuster website. Look for the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click on that button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a secure password and confirm it. After filling in your information, submit the form. Once registered, check your email for a verification link. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Next, log into your new PhantomBuster account. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout. To begin automating LinkedIn prospecting, search for LinkedIn-related templates. Locate the Templates section on the left-hand side. Within the templates, find options specifically designed for prospecting. Click on a LinkedIn template that suits your prospecting needs. Read the instructions associated with the template carefully. Determine the specific LinkedIn actions you want PhantomBuster to perform. Set your preferences based on your target audience. After setting your preferences, connect your LinkedIn account. You will need to authorize PhantomBuster to access your LinkedIn data. Follow the prompts to complete the connection securely. Once connected, configure the automation settings. Input any necessary parameters for your LinkedIn searches. Adjust the scheduling options to control how often the automation runs. Confirm the setup by reviewing all settings one last time. When satisfied, click the Start or Launch button to activate the automation. Monitor the operations through your PhantomBuster dashboard. Check for any errors or notifications during the automation process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.